Hi Biostrap family! Did you know that you can access your Biostrap data via the web dashboard on the computer?
Wait, so it's not just here on my phone?
Exactly, and it's really simple. Just open your web browser and go to app.biostrap.com and type in the email address associated with your Biostrap account along with your password. And bam, you're in.
Okay, this is awesome, but how do I navigate through this?
So at the top, you'll see the date, which if you click will drop down to a calendar so you can choose whichever day's data you'd like to look at. Then similar to your app's main dashboard, you have the three main scores: activity, recovery, and sleep scores displayed for any given day.
This is great, and can I also see the breakdown of my sleep cycles?
Yes, you can. Sure you can, but you can also see much more. Right below the scores, you'll see how your steps are broken down by how much you've walked at any given time during the day, how many calories you've burnt, how much time you spent walking, the distance, and the total number of steps for that day. Scrolling lower, you'll see your sleep cycle on the timeline, including deep, light, and awake stages. And on the side, you'll have your sleep score, sleep duration, sleep onset, and wake-up time. Then as you keep scrolling on, you'll find all four biometrics. And not only that, as you hover over them, you can see, for example, that your heart rate at 11:58 p.m. was measured at 55.93 beats per minute. Then you can precisely correlate that data capture with each biometric for that specific point in time.
That's interesting, but why would I want to do that?
Honestly, that depends. For some people, they use this data to better manage their personal health and performance. Others share trends with coaches or healthcare providers so they can better understand their overall health. The field of wearables and biometric science is still in its early stages. Did you know Biostrap runs a program called Biostrap Labs that can even validate if a sleep supplement is worth your hard-earned money?
Aha!
See, I told you it's pretty neat. Hang on, because there's more. Similar to your app, you can see your data trending over a period of a week, month, or a year to help you interpret data trends in a matter of seconds. Yes, I know you're wondering why data trends are even relevant. Here's an example. Let's say you start a new diet on the 1st of January, like we all do. As your body adjusts to a new nutrition program, you might feel its impact on your health, but by looking at your biometric trends, you can also see objective data proving the program's efficiency or its lack thereof. The green area represents normal covariance in day-to-day biometric trends, whereas the red dotted lines indicate significant change at the individual level. When you see a significant positive trend, this gives you a clue that you're on the right track. However, when there is a significant negative trend, it's like a red flag telling you that your body is under a lot of stress, so you might want to take a second look at that plan. Samir Santake, Biostrap CEO, calls this the check engine light for your health.
That's actually really helpful. So I don't have to rely on the scale or how my clothes fit in order to understand whether I'm making any progress or not.
Exactly. Now let's move on. On the left-hand side, you've got your remote monitoring access where you can stay up to date on the Biostrap data of your clients, patients, family, or friends.
Remote monitoring? What is that?
It's a super cool feature if you're a health practitioner, coach, or someone that wants to keep an eye on a loved one. Make sure to check out our video on what remote monitoring is and how you can get the most out of it. We'll link it in the description below. Now, just a couple more things before we wrap this up. If you click on your activity score, you'll see what you would see under the timeline section of your phone app. So you'll have all of your saved activities for any given day. And if you click on one, you'll get all of the data corresponding with that recorded session. Last but not least, by clicking on your sleep score, you'll have the full breakdown of your sleep cycle, your sleep score, as well as your individual nocturnal biometrics, along with a summary just like it is in the app. Does that make sense?
Yep, it's crystal clear, and I love seeing everything on a bigger screen.
Perfect. If you have any questions, make sure to visit our website at biostrap.com or check out our YouTube channel for additional information. Stay healthy, stay resilient, and I'll see you soon.